Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The Samsung Galaxy Book3 Pro is a highly portable and powerful laptop, featuring a premium aluminum chassis and weighing under 1.6 kilograms. Key features. Display: 16-inch AMOLED display with 3K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Performance: powered by a 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor, paired with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, making it ideal for intensive multitasking and demanding applications like Premiere or Photoshop. Graphics and OS: includes Intel Iris A graphics and runs on Windows 11 Home. Audio: 4 14W speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Connectivity: comprehensive I/O, including 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A, an HDMI 1.4 port, a microSD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.